Hi, hello, salam alaikum, namaste, welcome to my channel Hotelier's Guide. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the future notifications. So as I discussed in our last video, choosing a right college, it's very important. So if you don't choose a right college, so it will affect in your career. So how to choose a college? So when you are joining a course like hotel management course, while you are joining, you need to check the reputed colleges in your places. So reputed colleges means that college should have good background, good facilities, good teaching staff, good environment, good atmosphere. So if they have all these things and good placement record also, so if you have all these things, that college is the best college. So nowadays people starting like each and every place they are starting the hotel management colleges. So like they don't have proper facilities, and they don't have perfect teaching staff, and they don't have equipment, but they started a teaching like hotel management colleges. But the students, they are not aware about these things. They just go and blindly they take the admissions. Like end of the day, that college they cannot provide them good placement, good industrial training, all these things. So because of these things, guys, student will get affected. So in his career it will be big loss. So that's why, guys, choosing a right college is very 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 important. So today I will give some information about top 10 ranking hotel management colleges in all over India. Okay, so let's go to the topic. So I just prepared some notes to give all the information about you. So let's go to the top 10. Top 10 colleges: NSHM, NSHM College of Hotel Management. Okay, this college is started in 1997. This is one of the oldest college, guys. So the ownership of the college is private. That like private people handling this college. So this college is located in Durgapur. So if you want to take admission in this college, they have some entrance exams. So without that entrance exams, you cannot join this kind of reputed colleges. So particularly this college, they have like a WJEHOM. So it's West Bengal junior entry of hotel management course. So if you want to take admission in this college, so obviously you need to give this exam. So let's go to the fees, guys. This college is charging 5 lakhs Indian rupees. 5 lakhs Indian rupees. So the amount is little bit high, but the college is very good, very beautiful campus, and they have all the facilities what students required. And they have, end of the day, the student will get very good placement also. So rank number 9, Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition. It's called IHM colleges. So this college is started in 1987. This college ownership is government. It's completely like government taking care of this college, like government college. This college is located in Gwalior. And if you want to take admission in this college, every college, guys, they have different kinds of entrance exams. Like this college have NCHM. So all IHM colleges, they have entrance exam. If you want to take admission in this college, all IHM colleges, you need to give entrance exams. So fees, let's go to the fees. This college is charging like 3.3 lakhs Indian rupees. So the amount, if you compare to last college, this college is little bit low, but this college is very good. They have very good placement record also. And like entrance exams. These entrance exams, if you want to do any bachelor's degree, then only you need to give this exam. So if you want to join like any diploma courses like 6 months, 1 year, that course is not required this exam. If you want to like bachelor's like BHM, bachelor's of hotel management, BSc of hotel management, so if you want to do any bachelor's degree, then only required these entrance exams. So next we will talk about rank number 8. So Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So this is also like one of the IHM college, guys. So this college is established, they started in 1986. This is also like one of the oldest college. The owners of this college, they private sector, guys. So this college is located in Bhopal. Everyone know about Bhopal. So this college also, like if you want to take admission, they have some entrance exams, same like IHM. I told you before also, like NCHM and JEE, you need to give this kind of entrance exams to get the admission in this college. So this college compared to other college, guys, fees is little bit low. They are charging only 3 lakhs. So, and they have also very good placement record also. And one more thing, guys, if you want to join in this IHM colleges, if you want to join, it is little bit they have bit competition, so you need to do more hard work. So you can join in like normal colleges in your local places, but end of the day they will not give you good result. So if you want to get a good reputed college, you need, from your side also you need to do some hard work. So okay, so now let's go to the rank number 7, Banarasi Das Chandiwala Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So this college is started in, guys, 1999. This is also like one of the oldest college. So ownership is private, guys. It's also like private sector guys handling this college. This college is located in Delhi. It's heart of the place. So if you want to take admission in this college, you need to give like this college have separate entrance exam like CET IPU. So you need to give this entrance exam to get the admission in this college. So this, let's go to the fees in this college. They are charging like 4.6 lakhs. So 4.6 lakhs is little bit high to compare to other colleges. So it's okay, but if you want to get a good placement, end of the day you need to invest some amount while you are studying. So that fees, it's just a like tuition fees, guys. It's not like a completed amount, it's just only estimation amount about their tuition fees. If you want to join their hostel, if you want to take their library, it will be like some another charges. Also you need to check about the things. And let's go to the rank number 6, Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So this college is started in 1996. So the ownership of this college also private sector guys handling. This college is located in Bangalore. Okay, if you want to take admission in this college, so they have their own written test. So when you while you enter this college, they will give some entrance exam from the college side. So if you pass the exam, then only they will provide the admissions for you. So let's go to the fees. So this college is charging like 6.5 lakhs Indian rupees. The amount is little high, guys, but if you go and check this college looks like a 5-star resort. They have all the facilities, all the equipments, and the teaching staff, they are like well experienced guys. So if you study in this kind of reputed colleges, so your life will be automatically change. You will get very good placements, and they provide international placements, good industrial trainings and management trainings. They provide everything. So why I am telling these colleges names? So like if you want to go abroad, these colleges, like, they have lots of connections with the HRs and hotels, everything. So they can give you the placement like very easily, and they can send you abroad very easily. So let's go to the rank number 5, IHM Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition. So this is also one of the IHM college, guys. This college is started in 1954. This is one of the oldest college, and this college is one of the government college. Government is completely taking care about this college, and this college is located in, guys, Mumbai. So if you want to take admission in this college, same like IHM, before I told you, you need to give the NCHM or JEE entrance exam to get the admission in this college. So fees, this college is charging like 4.6 lakhs Indian rupees. So this is amount little bit high, but it's okay. It's one of the best campus, very beautiful campus, and they have very good placement record also. So let's go to the rank number 4, IHM Hyderabad. So this is also one of the IHM college, International Hotel Management College of Hyderabad. This college is started in 1972, and this is also like one of the government college only. And location, as I mentioned, this college is located in Hyderabad. So admission, same like as I told you before, you need to give NCHM or JEE entrance exam. So but they are charging a little bit low fees compared to IHM Mumbai, because each and every colleges they have like different kinds of fee structure. So it will depends on them. So rank number 3, IHM Chennai. This is also one of the IHM college. This college is started in 1963, and the ownership is, this college is completely taking care from the government. So this college is located in Chennai. Admission, if you want to take admission in this college, you need to give, like same I told you before, NCHM or JEE, all IHM colleges. If you want to join, you need to give this entrance exam. So fees, so this college also charging like 3.5 lakhs, and they provide like 100% best placements. So you can blindly trust these colleges, guys. So rank number 2, Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration. I will tell you one more time. Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration. So this college is started in 1986, one of the oldest college, guys. So the ownership, like private sector guys taking care about this college. This college is located in Manipal. So if you want to take admission in this college have separate entrance exam. So the college management, they design like something different kind of entrance test. It's called MET. So Manipal entrance test. So if you want to take admission in this college, you need to give this entrance exam. The fees, if you go to the fee structure, this college is charging like highest amount. All these colleges, as I told you before, this is charging very high amount. This college is charging like 13.2 lakhs, which is very, very, very high amount if you compare to other colleges. Why? Because this is the one of the oldest college, and they provide one of the best placements to all the students. So as I told you before, this college have like best facilities, guys, best facilities, and they can provide you like management training, and they can provide you also international placements. So let's go to rank number 1. Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology and Nutrition, PUSA. So this college is very famous. As I mentioned, the top 10 colleges, this is the very well rated campus. So that's why we can give this college rank number 1. So this college is started in 1962. Okay, the ownership of the college, the government is completely taking care about this college. So location, this college is located in Delhi. So if you want to take admission in this college, you need to give the NCHM or JEE entrance exam, same like other IHM colleges. And fees, this college is charging 3.66 lakhs only, guys. It's okay, it's not that much big amount. So this is one of the top rated campus, and the campus also like very beautiful. So you can see the students from all over the different states from India. So that's it for today, guys. So if you want to get good placements, good career lifestyle, so obviously you need to go and check this college. And one more thing, if you have any doubts about this if you have any doubts about these colleges, and if you want to get more information about these colleges, please come and comment, and I will just give you like a few I will just take a few seconds, and I will give you, same that time I will give you reply also. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubts, just comment me. And if you like my video, just go and please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the future notifications. That's it for today, guys. Jai Hind. Thank you.